Hi, Akal. I I like your presentation. It's clearly and completely. And I have one suggestion for improvement. Have a bigger bandwidth device. Your system is large. It will connect all the computers in the internet. And I don't think uh, your service model will not be always not online. It will always to be online because uh, your service model is SaaS. You're depending on your software is depending in your cloud service. For in overall, I have no reason to reject it.